Uhithuria wa muthurimi wa mbanjeti ya thirikari Margaret Nyakang'o uria athing'iriirio kuhitukia muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 15 mugaru na watho ni uthiite na mbere kuguciriria mirugamo itiganite kuma anyiti itemi ihonge-ini itiganite makĩria iria ihuthikaga hari kunyabara uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi bururi-ini. Umuthi kamiti ya mbunge igii kigina kia muingi niyaniriire kwambiriria uthuthuria wigie kigina giki niguo gukurana uria kirekererio na no wagararire watho na gicungiriria kura kwa makiria ma mbirioni 15 mbeca cia muingi thiku nini mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka muhituku.
We are going to give her a chance, the control of budget, a chance to respond. And as I said, we are starting our public inquiry next week on Tuesday. And so we are going to have that information next Tuesday.
Nyakang'o uria wekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igii guthikiriria mateta ma muingi ahithuririe miario yake na uria wari minister wa kigina bururi-ini Uthuthuria akimwatha hitukie bajeti iyo na hatari kurumirira mutaratara uria wagiriire wa kiwatho undu umwe na gukorwo bajeti iyo ndiahitukitio ni mbunge.
This committee and Kenyans will be wanting to see then whether there was coercion or not. Then there was actually an approval, and so I do not want to preempt, and because I do not have we do not have yet the facts for the control of budget, but it will be interesting to find out why she again went and approved the payment, because there is a letter actually being addressed to the cabinet to the principal secretary approving the withdrawal.
Hari macokio make Yatani arahinyiriirie gutira watho wagararirwo hari kuhitukio gwa kigina giki na makiria kiahuthirirwo na njira iria yagiriire. Undu uria kamiti ino yugite ni ihariirie gwita aria othe makuruhanirio niguo guthereria bururi kiria kiareire kingi.
We are going to have a whole proper week to delve onto this matter, including an audit trail of how the money went, to whom it was paid for, and the circulation of whether up to the last beneficiary of that money, because this is a big scandal and we are gonna put Kenyans on the light on this particular scandal.
Girivo Chara Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.